stretching out his neck so long, swimming softly, singing strong, gliding through the gentle sea, moving slow and gracefully. Little fish all swim